Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find f of t in these functional equations, given that f of t plus 1 divided by 3 equals t squared plus 5t plus 4. So to solve this, let's consider the solution, and I'll be using two methods to solve this system of functional equations. So from the function here, suppose there's a reason for this. I let t to be equals t minus 1. So by changing every t in this domain and also affect this other side here to t minus 1, we are going to have the f of, instead of t, we have it as t minus 1 then plus 1 divided by 3. So here is the first approach to solve this. Equals, so for t squared, it changed to t minus 1 raised to power of 2 plus 5 into bracket of t minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled each other, and here becomes f of t divided by 3 in bracket equals, we have t minus 1 squared. So we have to expand this thing twice as t minus 1 multiplied by t minus 1 plus, by opening this with 5 times t, that is 5t, minus 5 times 1, that is 5, plus 4. So here we still have f of t divided by 3 equals, when we expand this out, t times t, we have it as t squared, t times minus 1, that is minus t, minus 1 times t, we have it as minus t, and minus 1 times minus 1, that is plus 1. Then plus, here is 5t, minus 4, minus 5 plus 4, that gives us minus 1. So if this one still remain the same, we have equals, we have only t squared here. We write it as it is. But here we have minus t, and here is plus 5. This becomes plus 3t, and here is plus 1. So the result of this right hand side is as a result of, if you have the function f of t over 3 equals t squared plus 3t plus 1. Again, since we need to find f of t, let's again change t, we change it to 3t. Why do we do this? Because when we change this t to 3t, we are going to have 3 cancel 3, and we have only f of t. So it must always affect this side. Any changes we made here will also affect this right hand side. And here becomes f of 3t divided by 3 equals, we have this as 3t squared plus 3 into bracket of 3t plus 1. Then 3 cancelled 3. When 3 cancel 3, we have f of t equals 3t squared. It gives us 9t squared plus, also this one, we have 3 times 3t, that is 9t plus 1. And this is the result of f of t. So we do two different substitution here, and we get the result as we needed, which is f of t equals 9t squared plus 1. What do you think about this method, and which other method best to solve this and faster as I solve this one? You can drop it in the comment box. So let's learn together, and see you in the next class. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.